Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. However, it is Friday the 13th, November 13th here, and be safe, everyone. Anyways, we do got a few economic data here to go over. We'll start off with the inflation data from the produce on the wholesale level. This is the Producer Price Index, or PPI. So the month over month was back in September was 0.4% increase, and forecast for October was 0.2%, and they exceed that to 0.3%. Now, when we take out the variables as we did yesterday with the CPI, food and energy, we get what they call the core PPI, and this is really what we look at because those are variables that we cannot control, and we want to look more at the basis. So in September, it also went up 0.4%, and forecasts were calling for 0.2%. However, this one actually went lower, down to 0.1%. So this brought the year over year on the core CPI or PPI from 1.2%, forecast calling for 1.2, and brought it down lower to 1.1%. So this one doesn't weigh a lot on the markets, primarily because we look more at the consumer level, and when prices, even though it rises, sometimes the wholesale side will take lower margins. It doesn't get passed on to the consumers, so sometimes it'll fluctuate a little bit with the wholesale. It doesn't always get passed on to consumers. Now we also got consumer sentiment. This is kind of an initial reading, and we'll get another one, final one towards the end of the month. We had an 81.8 in October. Forecast calling for 82, and we got 77. It's kind of looking like people are getting a little concerned about possible lockdowns, and this is kind of what's kind of spooking the market a little bit about possible further restrictions with the increase of the coronavirus uh, 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 tests and stuff like that. So, anyways, let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are up this morning. Of course, we got the coronavirus to kind of keep. They've kind of this week kind of leveled themselves out. They had a huge rally earlier in the week due to news that we had a 90% effective rate in terms of the Pfizer. And then they kind of settled down a little bit because they were also looking at what more of the present was calling for, and that was present was we're increasing, but these vaccines probably won't be rolled out for months away. So in the immediate term, we could we're running into these types of situations. But another avenue is we got the Disney, Cisco, and 3M all had good reports out, and this is kind of what's kind of helped pushing the stock market today as well. Let's jump ahead here, see how this is playing out in the bond market. Bond market's doing okay. We're at rate basically at zero right now. Break even where we left off yesterday. We did touch the new technical level. We had our rally did continue yesterday. We actually closed up 38 basis points. Yesterday, when we did this, we were up, I think, around 22, 23 basis points, and then we ended up closing up 38 basis points, and many lenders went ahead and repriced for the better, so we had an improvement in our pricing later in the day yesterday. Right now, we should be about even pricing where we closed yesterday, but if you compare it to yesterday morning, it should be a little bit better in terms of our mortgage rates today. So good news for those who are looking to refinance or purchase. Let's jump ahead here to the yields, see what treasuries are doing. Treasuries also touched that floor, basically touched off the floor. They're up a little bit. We're up to about 8.89 right now, but they did not close right at that floor, which is right around the 8.8887 range. This technical level here, which created a floor, which supported it, and now it's kind of bouncing upwards a little bit to 0.89 range in the yields here. So anyways, again, rates are a little bit better today from where we started yesterday. However, about the same as where we closed because we had a improvement in our pricing. If you guys are looking to refinance or purchase, stay tuned. I'll leave a link at the end of the video. Also, leave it in the description. If you guys are looking for information in regards to mortgages, the process, or different loan programs, there'll be information on there. A little disclosure about myself: I am a loan officer, and I do work with a national lender, so we can certainly help you guys in different situations, from your refinance needs to your purchase needs. We can help you guys get pre-approved, buy and finance your next property, to help you guys with the refinance, taking money out of the equity of the property for different various needs, to getting you guys going from a 30-year to a 15-year fix, going rate and term, so it gets you a better interest rate. to things of that nature. So if you guys need any help, my contact information will be on that website as well. So please feel free to reach out anytime, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. And again, be safe out there. And we'll see you guys on Monday. Bye bye.